वेलकम टू आवर चैनल फॉर प्रॉपर्टी अपडेट्स। आज हम आपके लिए लेके आए हैं याशिका 104 कमर्शियल प्रोजेक्ट इन सेक्टर 104 गुड़गांव। Sector 104 in Gurgaon is a developing commercial and residential area located in close proximity to Dwarka Expressway. Yashika 104 is a commercial project. It is a mixed-use development project that includes retail shops, high street shop and food courts. Bank and ATM spaces available. The property has been designed to provide a modern and vibrant shopping experience to its customers. Golden opportunity to invest in commercial property on Dwarka Expressway. यदि आप याशिका 104 के कमर्शियल प्रोजेक्ट में रुचि रखते हैं, तो स्क्रीन पर दिए गए नंबर पर सीधे हमसे संपर्क कर सकते हैं। Site visits and booking call 9999500302. Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe.